What's up guys, how you all doing? Paul the Tech Giant here, welcome back to the channel. Now fast approaching is the release date for the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, so now is a great time to be looking at buying a case to protect your new investment. And the guys at Terrazz have been kind enough to send over a selection of cases for me to test out for you guys. And not only that, they've sent over this very genuine mock-up of an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So you're going to get a good idea of what the case will look like on the phone. Now joining me today is the Mrs. So if you'd like to say hello to everyone.
Hi, it's Mrs. Tech Giant here.
She's taking the mic there. So milking their 5 minutes of fame. So yeah, she's going to be sitting in and helping me out because the text on these phone cases is a little bit small. My eyesight's terrible. So anyway, let's crack on and get the first one out of the box. Right then, if you want to get the first one out of the box, I'm going to take off the protective wrapping of this dummy phone. There we go. So if you'd like to let us know what the first one is.
This one is the Terrazz crystal clear case for the iPhone blue. So
right, and if you want to...
This is a blue.
Show everyone so everyone can see. You know, it is a video after all.
This is a blue, a case with a blue rim. So it's clear.
Have a look. Oh, that's
a blue rim on it, look.
So what we've got now is just a bit of foam. Oh, right, so it's... Oh, that's...
Yeah, it's silicone.
Yeah.
It does say silicone
feel that.
on there.
Have a feel of that. Oh, that's really soft.
Oh, yeah, it is, isn't it? It doesn't look that soft, but that is really
yeah, that's really, really pliable. Do you know what? I'd go as far as saying I don't think I've ever felt a silicone case as pliable as that before. I like the... sort of like a metallic look to it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's
it's shiny.
Yeah.
Shiny.
Pop that in there. There we go. And that's what that looks like. So I wouldn't say this is going to give masses of protection. Obviously, it's going to be better than not having a phone case on at all. But being the sort of soft silicone it is, that it may be not as harsh.
I don't think it's going to protect it if you drop it on this front.
No, not. It's going to say
there's no lip, I don't think, is there?
There is a little bit of a raised edge to it, but not a lot. It's very, very fine.
There's stones there. You've got no chance.
But it's a nice looking case though, isn't it? I do like it when it catches the light. That does look very nice.
There's quite a bit of protection for the camera.
Yeah. I was going to say, if you look at that there, it is very, very raised. So that is one good point. Feels quite nice on the buttons. So yeah, it is a very, very soft case, but you know, not everyone wants, you know, sort of full on protection and really big bulky case. So yeah, I like the look of that one. So let's move on to the next.
Next up, this is the ultra thin silicone navy blue.
Okey-dokey.
So this is going to be one for the boys. There we go. Right, so, got some gubbins in there. It's like screen cleaners and screen protector by the looks of it.
Yeah, so let's some...
Two of them.
Tempered glass screen protectors there. Now, these I will actually do a video on separately because my daughter has been lucky enough to order a new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'll actually do a separate video applying those. So make sure you subscribe for that. And we've got some... screen cloths there, you know, clean up your screen all that before you apply that. Well, so getting on to the case anyway, yeah.
That says it's silicone. It is quite hard. There is bend in it.
Yeah, it's a little bit of flex, but not too much, quite.
Yeah.
But I tell you what, it's a nice feel on that. It's what would you describe?
It's like a matte. It's like a matte colour, yeah. Not colour.
It's it's a soft like a soft plastic. It is rubbery plastic. I don't know how you'd sort of describe that. But as you can see, it's a matte finish.
It's got the same lip on the back.
Yeah.
As the other one.
Yeah, well raised.
Very similar. Yeah, and the same front as well, really, isn't it?
Yeah. On the edges, it's sort of like cut out there. Was the other one like that? I didn't even notice, to be honest.
No, I didn't think it was. It's just because it's a harder plastic, I presume.
But yeah, overall, I like that one. But again, not the most added.
I think it may scratch a little bit. May do.
I don't know. I'm rubbing my nail on it. I can't see much coming off there. So a bit like some phones you get like that. You know, you get marks on them, but then you can wipe them off. So again, not the biggest protection-wise, but again, feels really, really nice. I'll probably prefer that to the previous one. So let's move on to the next.
Okay, so this one is the diamond clear case.
Oh, I do like a clear case. I must admit, I'm a bit partial to a clear case.
I'm guessing it's going to be a hard one, not soft, because it doesn't say.
What we're talking about? Are we on about phone cases?
It doesn't say it's silicone or anything, so. I'm assuming it's not going to be anything like that. There's a little bit of bend to it. Not like the other one.
Yeah. Let's have a feel.
Yeah.
So yeah, more along the lines
Flexible.
of the last one. Yeah, not as pliable as the very first one. You often like a clear case as well. Only thing with clear cases, again, you know, I can't speak from experience with this manufacturer, but with other ones, clear cases quite often could be a problem when it comes to discolouring.
They go yellowy, browny colour, but the only thing I will say is that's normally the really, really soft ones, the silicone ones. That isn't overly soft, so I don't know if that would have that problem. Yeah.
See, yeah, I do like I say, a clear case, especially, you know, if you're going for a real nice colour on the phone, you know, you want to show it off. You know, I think one of the big hits this year will be the gold one, that gold band, and obviously, you know, this is going to show it off and protect it at the same time. So again, we've got that raised camera area just there, and it is a good bit of protection.
That is, yeah.
Because that would be the one area I would be very concerned about when dropping it, is those cameras on there. Because as much as they're putting on the better sort of glass on these new iPhone 12 Pros and Pro Maxes or whatever, you know, you're not going to get that glass protection on that area. So it's nice that that is well protected.
There's no cutout on the bottom of that one. That's just literally solidly round.
On the corners.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I get it focus. Yeah, that is just perfectly sort of round on there. So no cutouts, like my partner said. Feels nice on the buttons again. Nice bit of movement on there. So just sort of feeling it if that was in your pocket, you know, you're not looking. Yeah, I'd find that easy enough. I've had cases before where the buttons are a little bit too recessed. Yeah, they're just enough that you can feel them, but, you know, not massively protruding out. So, yeah, I like that. I'd say actually that is my favourite so far. I know it's clear.
Yeah, I think that is probably the best one at the moment.
Yeah, right, let's move on to the next.
This one is the shockproof case.
Yeah.
In black.
In black. Okay. If I'm being honest, not a lover of black cases and that.
No, it's not the best, is it?
No, but it's horses for courses at the end of the day.
What's that?
Don't know. What is that? So yeah, we've got. What are they? It's little like tablets or something. It says.
Saying that, it says power button. I reckon you might be able to put them on the case. If I'm right, might not be.
Yeah, so that is weird. I've never seen that before. It's like some tablets.
Yeah. Do you reckon they're changeable? So you can have them different colours. So like
yellow,
that's a
power button. What's that say? Volume button.
Yes. They're different coloured buttons from side. Now this is like a black, solid black, but then clear, tinted black.
It's like a frosted window. That's novel, isn't it?
Again, a bit bendy, isn't it?
Yeah.
More on the
Yeah, well, I'd say that feels thicker around the sides, that does.
And again, it's a matte feel, not shiny. And matte around the sides as well. Yeah, that's going to be interchangeable buttons.
So what, we think that these pop on the sides
Yes, yeah.
Do you want to...
Never seen anything like that before.
Crack those open and, you know, we'll have a look at these. Let's get this...
Yes, it is. You pop them out, look.
So anyway, let's get the phone in there. I mean, being black, or shall I say, not black, it's like a dark... Is it dark blue, that phone? Grey? I don't know.
I don't know, it looks blue to me.
Bluey grey. But there you go. No, I say I don't like dark cases or black ones. Actually, that looks quite nice on there. Again, same amount of raised edge protection on that camera bump. Button, now I'd say the button on that feels maybe a little bit more recessed actually than the previous one, but we have got these to potentially go on the outside, so that's maybe where they're going to pack out a little bit. So that's what that looks. I do like that frosted look though. That looks nice, isn't it? That's different. That's novel. I can't see that I've seen that on a phone case before, not on any that I've personally had anyway.
Right, these are the 2 volume ones, the 2 bottom ones, because they're the smaller ones. That's it.
Ah, right, I get you. So yeah, these, right, I thought they were going to go over the top. Sorry if I'm not focusing. These actually, look, come out. Yeah, that's a clever idea. I'm liking that. Let's pop this in. Is that, which way around?
There's a flat end. It's going to be, yeah, in that way.
Right, well, we got there in the end with the assistance of my partner. We got them fitted. And yeah, I think that looks really, really good. As you can see, we've gone for a bit of a combination of the yellow and the red. So yeah, what a novel idea. Don't you think that's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
never
different.
Seen a case like that before.
No, it's
that you can change it.
No, I personally haven't. You know, there may be ones out there, but no, I personally haven't. And I just like the fact that, you know, you could, you know, essentially you've got 3 different looks there that you could get. Well, no, 4 if you're mixing them up, isn't it? So yeah, that's a novel idea. Fair play to the company for coming up with that idea, and that's definitely something I would go for. You know, I maybe wouldn't go for the black myself, but yeah, different colour with different buttons.
It feels nice.
Yeah.
It's grippy.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
After that, apart from
that, it's got a bit more of a rim on it as well than what the other ones have.
Yeah, so I'd say that is the best protection. Colour, not for me personally, but if it wasn't, you know, if I could change the colour with those buttons and that protection, that is now I'd say is the best one out of the lot. Personally, that's what I'd go for. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okie dokie. So that's the end of the unboxing. And hopefully you have enjoyed this video today. And if you have, really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of the same in the future from both myself and my partner, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. So thanks very much for me, and from Mrs. Tech Giant, you can say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye.
And hopefully
catch you again in another video.
Yeah,
hopefully.
Hopefully we will. So thanks very much, and catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.